guys, so today is Thursday and the kids here at school are going to be taking their STAR math test. Like I said in yesterday's video, your parent is going to have to bring you up here next Thursday, August 20th, to take your STAR math and reading at 2 o'clock. You'll be getting more information on that. But for today, for what y'all are gonna do, you're gonna be doing this little review sheet that I made. It's got the standard word and expanded form for decimals and comparing decimals. I'm gonna do a couple examples just to kind of refresh your brain a little bit. So let's say that my first standard form, remember, is just the number. So I could have, 26 and 782 thousandths, okay? So in word form, I'm gonna write 26, and remember we write the and for the decimal, 782, and I'm running out of room, thousandths, because that is in the thousandths place, okay? I have seen on some of y'all's work you're forgetting to put the THS in there, and that's important, okay? Let's go into expanded form. I know it's kind of hard to write expanded form on the computer because you have to write your fractions a little different. So I'm gonna try to write it like that up here so that you'll remember what it's supposed to look like. So this is our whole number, so this expanded form is gonna be normal. So we're gonna say 20 plus 6 for 26, okay? When we get to this decimal, that lets you know that we're getting into our fractions, okay? So we're gonna say plus parentheses 7 times, this 7 is in the tenths place. So we're gonna say 7 times 1/10, and I'm gonna write it like you have to write it on the computer, okay? Plus parentheses 8 times, and this 8 is in the hundredths place, so 1/100ths, okay? And it's a little far off to the side, so I'm gonna put this next one down here, plus parentheses 2 times, that 2 is in the thousandths place, so you're gonna say 1/1000th, and you're gonna end your parentheses, okay guys? Okay. Also, when you're comparing decimals, a lot of you struggled a little bit on your decimals, and I know it can be a little confusing. So what I like to do, instead of doing like 26.7 and 67.23, sometimes I have to take this and put it up and down, kind of stack it. And when you do that, you're gonna line your decimals up. So I'm gonna say 26.7, and then I'm gonna say 67.23, okay? And whatever we're missing, we can just pop a 0 in there, okay? Because that doesn't change the amount of that number like it would a whole number. So we're gonna start right here on the left side, and we're gonna say 2, 6. Which one's bigger? The 6 is bigger. So that lets you know the alligator's gonna eat this number, okay? So we're gonna come up here and we're gonna pop that in there, okay? Also, a lot of you were confused on this one right here. I think it was like 4.18 and then like 4.180. Remember what I said a minute ago? 4.18 and then 4.180. You just pop a 0 right there. It's the exact same amount, okay? Because this is not 4,000. This is just 4, okay? When you get back here, the 0 doesn't mean that much anymore, okay? It's a fraction of a number, okay, guys? So that is Thursday's work, and good luck on your test on Friday.